so. Make sure there's no tangles or anything. Pretty good. Yellow one behind the back of the wheel first. Sweet. These two. Pair up at the back like that. Pull everything forward.
Right, when you're done with him, and you might send him to the chat, we're very low on the recording.
Forward, chains forward. Like that. This goes into this link here.
Okay.
And you move this, everything back until that part's in the middle of your tyre. So where that white line is,
Yeah.
pull the chain nice and tight. Right. Go through the first red link, second red link, and then pull this one as hard as you can to the first one up there. Yep. Got it? That's all.